For exercise 6, I have almost the exact same spreadsheet as I had for exercise 5, except for a few differences because we are dealing with compound interest now instead of simple interest. So our top square is exactly the same. The top 3 numbers in here that are in the green background, those are the numbers that we change, and it will alter the numbers in our spreadsheet. I've set up nearly all the equations exactly the same. The only difference here is that in this column right here, where we have the value of the investment at the end of the period, so after the first period we now have $125. It's this value that now comes down to the value of the investment at the start of the next period. Because as you recall, our interest is now included in our principal. So this square right here, this cell right here, is actually the number from F10. So F, the number, whatever number is in the row above at the end in column F, now gets moved down into here. The number that we end up with after the second period, the 156.25, which is in F11, now comes down into C12 to start the next row. So now the calculations are based on our new value. The other difference that I just want you to notice is that now I do have a unreasonably high interest rate here, the 25%. But a high interest rate really does make this curve obvious, and how instead of a straight line that you have in the simple interest, it's now a curve. What I'm trying to say. So if I have a normal interest like 8%, say, if I just put in 8%, the curve isn't quite as distinct, but you can see that it is still a curve. In the exercise that you had before that, our line of what our investment, how our investment grows, is totally straight.